Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Minsa, and for this assignment I will use two Venn diagrams to explain SQL operations. I actually have two Venn diagrams, one I found online and the other I created it myself. So this is the one I found online, and as you can see, this diagram shows traits of wolves, fish, and shrimp. These are their features and what they share in common. So let me go back to the board. To answer question one, so union is like more of combining two things. So let's say a union of wolves and fish combines all their traits. Let me go back. Like wolves having hair and fish having scales. That is just about it with the question one. So the question two is more of intersecting or all three traits they all share. All three traits they all share. That is they live in water, they can swim, and all the three have internal skeletons. So that is just about it with question two. With the question three, that is the except question, except operator. So the except I'll go back to the picture. The except is to find what's unique about one of the animal, that is wool, and it gives us wool having hair and the breathe air, which the other two don't. So that is the except. So the next question is the inner. That is the question 4. So the inner join, let's say inner join means show me only the results that are in let me go. Show me the results that are only in 3 groups. And so for our animals, things like skeleton, internal skeleton, that is what they all have. So that is just about it with the question. The question 4. So the last question is the question 8. What is the most interesting? So the most interesting thing I learned with this Venn diagram is the wool feature. So this shows wolves are mammals, and to find only feature in database, take wolf facts minus fish, and what is left are their mammal traits. So that is just about it with question 8. So with that being said, the next is my diagram, and I'm sorry about my handwriting. So I'm comparing these social media, and I have Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube here. So let me just go back to the board. So the same questions. The question one, union, combining. I'm combining Instagram and TikTok. They all give their features, like posts, reels, and duets. As duets and intersects. That is the for question 2. So intersects. Let me go back to I mean, all four platform use algorithms. There is the algorithm. That is how this is how I spell the algorithm, because of I wasn't having more space here. And we all have feeds and mobile influencers. That is one thing all this app share. And let me go back to the board. So I join. So if I say a full join of YouTube, let me go back to the full join of YouTube and Twitter. I have one. I mean, it shows everything from both apps in one list as live streaming. And another question is the accept. So the accept duet is only on TikTok, and like I mean we have duet only on TikTok, except Instagram shows the unique feature. Alright, so let me go back to the question. Question 8, that is the last question. So the key insights about what I do. I mean, this my Venn diagram is I mean, all these apps are becoming almost the same. They all copying each other best features, like a full join. That is what I can see. So the Venn diagram makes SQL easy to understand, and combines intersect finds common items, and except find what different with it on the table. And that is just about it with this assignment. Thank you very much for watching.